noticed what looked like fireballs falling from the sky. And she was several miles away from them, way back here, maybe a couple of miles away, when she started noticing them. She's filming these as she's driving down the road. They come out of this dark cloud right here. I'm going to show you the original video. That's it right here. And then we're going to zoom in and look at these things, whatever they are, raining down from the sky in broad daylight. Those are fireballs. I don't know if those are some sort of asteroids or meteors from space, some sort of a debris field that's falling from space, something up in the clouds that drop these things down. They seem to be igniting. They're glowing bright white, leaving a dark trail behind them. They are slow-moving fireballs coming from that dark cloud up there. Again, in broad daylight, as you guys can clearly see. I don't think these things are military flares or they would be floating. We've seen those, a lot of those, in fact, over the years, mainly during the nighttime hours. You don't see any aircraft up there. They're just randomly falling out of that dark cloud. Here she's still driving down the road, got an excellent point of view of whatever's going on over here. And you can see they look like meteors raining down from the sky, leaving a dark trail of smoke behind. Now we're going to zoom in and go slow, look at these things up close, or at least a couple of them. And they look like fireballs, some sort of meteors coming into the atmosphere, but in slow motion. Very strange. Like I said, I've never seen anything quite like this in broad daylight, not even at nighttime, to be honest. I mean, we've seen meteors enter the atmosphere at night, and they've been quite dramatic at times. These aren't necessarily super dramatic, but they're very bright. Their presence is very easily known in the broad daylight hours. Right there. Right there, there's another one up here that just kind of looks like it's just lingering around up in the clouds, and then all of a sudden, it drops down out of that dark cloud. You got two coming down right now at the same time. I mean, it's almost like there's some sort of a craft or something up there in the sky dropping these things if they're not coming from space. And you can see they're leaving a very obvious dark trail in the sky. Got another one coming over here off to the far left. In fact, I think there's another one that sparks in here somewhere, starts heading towards the ground, leaving a trail of what appears to be some kind of smoke behind it. Look at that thing, would you? Fell right out of that dark cloud, and it's making a beeline. There's that second one I was talking about. Actually, that's number 7. I counted 7 in this video segment that she took, and there could have been more. Look how bright those two are. Racing to the ground. Again, this was on Highway 301 in Florida. Obviously, it's during the daytime hours. Not exactly sure what time of the day it was. This video was shared with me by Amanda from Florida, and this occurred